Hi everybody! Mga Papam fans, today we are going to Adventure Cove Water Park here in Singapore. And as mentioned dun sa vlog namin about going to Universal Studios Singapore, this time, ganun ulit, since we are staying at Hotel Michael, it's just walking distance to Adventure Cove, which is also beside Universal Studios. So, hindi siya nakakahiya kung pang swimming outfit ka na. Parang walang judgment kasi walking distance lang. Ayan o, si Princess. Wow! First time niya magsuot ng ganyan na may pa-dress. Parang hindi siya sure kung comfortable siya. It's nice naman lang. Okay daw. Let's go! Our first time sa Adventure Cove Water Park. Babe, ang daming tao na. Ayan o, sobrang daming tao. Kahapon hindi pa ganyan kadaming tao here sa Universal Studios. Yeah. Ayan o. They're all waiting for the opening, which is at 10 AM. So kami naman, dito kami papunta sa Adventure Cove Water Park. Oh! That's alright, you won't swim there. It's full of slides lang. Hindi daw kasi nadaling goggles. Eh, hindi naman siya nagsiswimming doon. Pag water park, wala namang swimming na nagaganap. Well, i-convince namin siya. Kasi mas masaya siya talaga kapag may goggles. Anyways, let's go! You want to what? Swim with the dolphins? Why? You're not scared of them?
Yeah.
Ang saya, walang tao! Parang ang cute ng Adventure River, Dad. Kasi dadaanan mo lahat eh. Mamaya siguro, no?
Oo, yung gamit.
Down the stairs, I smelled food.
I know, right? Update. Basa ako sa water park. Oh my gosh, walang rampahan lang na naganap. Walang choice. There's a Coke vending machine. Okay. And also the cotton candy one. You want that?
Yes.
Later when we're not too...
We know. Yes, we do it more. Which one? You cotton candy. Uy, ice cream. Chill ako sa ice cream.
Meron coffee.
Rainbow
Reef.
Yeah. Is that the one where you get to swim with dolphins?
Ah, this is the one that you, get to snorkel.
Go, Prince! Go, Prince! Don't be scared, don't be scared. Scared? Huwag ka na lang lumubog, Mami. Alalayan mo na. Ay, i-headband mo na lang yung goggles mo. Ninenervyos ako, sorry. Isang ikot lang yan, don't worry. Go, Prince. Good job. Wait, I'll take picture, please. Wait, guys, wait. Doon ako kayo sa ilalim, mas marami.
itong Adventure River, this is our second time today kasi nung una hindi namin dala tong itong pang vlog. I know, cannot. Pero masyadong maganda siya para hindi i-vlog. Go, go, go. No, 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 no. Hindi pwede, Prince. Wow! Wow! At ayun na nga ang wave. So, ito kami sa Adventure River. Ayun sila. Oh. Tapos ang ganda kasi nitong mga iba't ibang parts nitong Adventure River. Hindi siya katulad, it's not like lazy river na wala lang lazy. Ito adventure. Di ba, Dad? Where's Daddy? Hey, Dad and Prince. Princess. Wow!
Mga what time na ba? Mga 1 na rin eh, no?
Prince, Princess! Woohoo! Look at that. Yes. Ay! Para ka na rin nag-swim with the stingray.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like swimming with them. Galing, nakakatuwa. Eh, look, 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 look. Ang lapit. Oh my God, sobrang ganda. Sobrang astig. Wala na akong pakialam kung ano itsura ko dito sa vlog na to. Look. Look at that.
A few moments later.
Hey everybody! So, that ends our tour. Okay, so ano ba yung highlights ng aming trip? First, we stayed for the first time in Sentosa, as in dun tayo check-in. So, we first stayed in Village Hotel. Pero hindi masyadong maganda yung experience namin doon kasi hindi sila masyadong accommodating, and then hindi nila kami tinulungan nung nawawala yung cellphone ni Daddy Ren. Another highlight is yung pagpunta namin sa Harry Potter! You love it?
Yeah.
Okay, so ang ganda nun. And then another highlight is yung bonggacious na pagpunta namin sa cruise. So hindi namin first time ni Daddy, pero first time ni Princess and Prince, and they really had fun, and I can't wait for us to go to the Disney cruise next time. Next highlight is staying at Hotel Michael in Sentosa. Kasi maganda sa Hotel Michael, it's really near Universal Studios, Singapore, and Adventure Cove Water Park, which is also the highlights of our tour. Pumunta po kami sa Universal Studios. And then we went for the very first time sa Adventure Cove Water Park. And it's not going to be our last time kasi nag-enjoy din talaga kami. And then, what else did we do here? Eat, and eat. Oh my God. Food trip. And may mga shopping din. Yung mga ano lang naman, yung mga dessert. Ganon. So, there you have it. Thank you for watching our video.